Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. With all the excitement of Winamp 5.8 coming out very soon, I thought I would do a video showing you how to install the original classic Winamp onto Windows. To start off with, all you need to do is click on the link that's in the description below and you will end up on a page that looks like this. Once you are on this page, you now need to click on the top link and you now need to go save file. Once the file has finished downloading, you now need to run the setup file and you now need to go next, I agree, and you now need to select where you would like to install Winamp. I'm just going to install it on my C drive, that's absolutely fine. You now need to go next, next again for a full install, and you now need to click on install. And once Winamp has finished installing, we can now keep launch Winamp selected and go finish. And you now need to select the skin you would like to use for Winamp. I'm just going to keep it on the default and you need to go next. You now need to click on finish and there we go. That is how you install Winamp 5.6 onto Windows. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials. And also, once 5.8 does become available, I will certainly do a tutorial showing you how to install that version.